Republicans are back up to their shenanigans, trying to cut spending in needed programs to aid the poor to fund tax cuts for the rich. As New Republic reports, Republicans are bringing back their plan to gut Social Security and Medicare in their new budget proposal for 2024, with, among other things, them declaring to ban free school meals for children who cannot afford them. The Republican Study Committee, which three-fourths of the Republicans in the House are on, released its 2024 budget, notably banning the free school lunch program known as CEP. This is something that schools in low-income areas participate in that allows all students free breakfast and lunch without means testing the program and adding paperwork that is unneeded, that is also proven to lower the efficiency of universal-oriented programs. Additionally, this budget includes things such as budget cuts to Social Security and Medicare, Trump's tax cuts for the 1% being made permanent, work requirements on all programs like food stamps or Medicare, extending work requirements to the 55 to 64 age range, and multiple deregulations that have been rolled back in the Biden administration that weaken our environmental protection. With Medicare, they want disabled Americans to have longer wait times, and they're bringing back the Romney Care initiative, if you remember what that is, which would turn Medicare from a system that guarantees care for seniors to a voucher system where seniors are then given money to shop privately for their own health care. This would, first of all, remove the guarantee that these seniors are able to have access to affordable health care, and it would also drop the floor of the treatment they are available to receive, as the private companies within their budget would have options that are not nearly as wide-ranging as Medicare. And Republicans are pretty angry that only 65% of seniors over the age of 55 are working, wanting to instead extend work requirements to this group for social programs. Medicare, food stamps, you name it, they think that people over the age of 55 till 64 should have to work to access these things or not be able to get them. They also propose making Trump's tax cuts permanent. You know, the ones that gave $50,000 in tax cuts to the top 1% and only $500 to the bottom 60%, all while also putting back into place the horrible deregulations that Trump initiated that crashed banks, weakened our environmental policies. Luckily, though, this is just a proposal, though Trump has in the past tried to cut spending to pretty much all of these programs. So if he comes into office, the likelihood this pass goes up. But we can only hope that it's dead in the water.